You finally got the raise. You're making more than ever before. So why do you still feel broke? In 2026, over 50% of people making six figures reported living paycheck to paycheck. This isn't just an economy problem, it's a brain problem. Today, we're exposing the invisible machine that is stealing your wealth and your happiness, the Hedonic Treadmill. Get ready to reclaim your financial future. Psychologists discovered a powerful truth. Whether you win the lottery or face a significant setback, your brain eventually returns to a baseline level of happiness. That $80,000 salary felt like a dream in January, but by July, it's just your life. Your brain isn't designed to stay impressed, it's wired to seek more. This constant pursuit means rich becomes a moving target you can never actually hit unless you change the rules of the game. Understanding this psychological phenomenon is the first step to breaking free. It's not about earning more. It's about mastering your mind and your money. Let's look at the cold, hard math. You get a $20,000 raise, a fantastic achievement. But then, almost instinctively, you upgrade your car for an extra $400 a month, move to a nicer zip code adding $600 to your rent, and start treating yourself to more expensive dinners and premium subscriptions. Suddenly, your discretionary income is actually lower than before. You're working harder, earning more, yet experiencing less financial freedom. This insidious process is called lifestyle inflation, and it's the physical manifestation of your hedonic treadmill running at maximum speed. It drains your potential savings and prevents you from building lasting wealth. This isn't just about spending. It's about missed opportunities for investment and growth. It's time to step off the treadmill and take control. This isn't about deprivation. It's about intentional living and strategic wealth building. These three steps will empower you to align your spending with your true financial goals. Next time you get a raise, a bonus, or any significant income increase, implement the powerful 50-50 rule. 50% of that new money can go towards improving your current lifestyle, allowing you to enjoy your hard-earned success. The other 50%, however, goes directly into your investments and savings. Automate this process immediately. Set up direct deposits to your 401k, Roth IRA, or a diversified brokerage account. This strategy ensures you improve your life and your financial freedom simultaneously, leveraging the magic of compounding interest to build substantial wealth over time. This is a cornerstone of smart budgeting and investment strategy for aspiring investors. Consider the true value of your purchases. A $1,000 couch might feel exciting for a month, but soon it becomes just a couch. In contrast, a $1,000 trip with friends, a challenging course, or a unique adventure creates memories that pay dividends in joy and personal growth for a lifetime. Experiences often appreciate in value through nostalgia and shared stories. Shift your focus from accumulating material possessions to collecting meaningful experiences. Budget for these enriching moments, knowing they contribute more to your long-term happiness and well-being than fleeting material goods. This mindful spending approach is a powerful budgeting tip that aligns with a richer life, not just a richer bank account. This might sound counterintuitive, but it's a powerful Stoic practice. Once a week, take a moment to imagine losing what you currently have: your job, your home, your health. It sounds dark, but it's the only known cure for taking things for granted. This exercise isn't about dwelling on negativity. It's about fostering profound gratitude for your current blessings. By appreciating what you already possess, you reduce the urge to constantly seek more through unnecessary spending. This practice builds mental resilience and helps you distinguish between true needs and fleeting desires. It empowers you to find contentment in your present circumstances, making you a more deliberate and powerful financial decision maker. The goal isn't to live like a monk or deny yourself joy. The goal is to realize that enough is a number you define, not a feeling dictated by societal pressures. Stop running a race that wasn't designed to be won. By intentionally managing your money, automating your investments, and valuing experiences over possessions, you buy back your most precious asset, your time. This is your invitation to step off the hedonic treadmill and into a life of intentional wealth and profound satisfaction. Define your enough, automate your savings, and invest wisely. Take control of your financial narrative. Subscribe now if you're ready to master your money, build lasting wealth, and finally achieve true financial freedom. Your future self will thank you.